Today, I'm finally staying in the famous Godzilla Room at Hotel Gracery Shinjuku in Tokyo. Let's see if it's really worth it. After a short walk through Shinjuku, there is the giant Godzilla head. The moment I stepped inside, I was surrounded by incredible Godzilla displays. Inside the hotel, there's even more Godzilla waiting. This giant display is an awesome welcome. Before checking in, I had to check out the exclusive Godzilla merchandise. There are plenty of souvenirs to choose from. Now it's finally time to check in. I even received some exclusive Godzilla gifts. Moment of truth. Wow, this room is packed with Godzilla from floor to ceiling. The hotel even surprised me with a birthday gift. There are so many fun details hidden throughout the room. Now, let's unbox all the exclusive items. Next, let's check out the hotel's Godzilla Cafe. One of the coolest features is the exclusive Godzilla show that plays inside the room. The hotel also has a free Godzilla photo gallery on the 30th floor. Before leaving, I had to watch the giant Godzilla head roar one last time. If you're visiting Tokyo and looking for a unique hotel experience, Hotel Gracery Shinjuku is definitely worth checking out.